Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best jogging strollers, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best jogging strollers options for this year. Considering price, performance, and usage scenarios, stick around to discover which jogging strollers is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Bob Gear Wayfinder Jogging Stroller. The Bob Gear Wayfinder jogging stroller is a well-designed jogging stroller that offers excellent maneuverability, durability, and convenience for active parents. Our testers found the assembly to be quick and straightforward, requiring minimal effort and no extra tools beyond the Allen key that was included. The stroller's sturdy tires feature grippy treads that make navigating off-road paths and crossing curbs easy, and we found that they effectively cushioned many of the bumps we encountered on both grass and concrete. We also appreciated user-friendly safety features, such as an easy-to-access handbrake and a wrist strap, which provide assurance that the stroller will stop when needed and never roll too far away. It has a zippered cargo basket that accommodates a small diaper bag, along with a UPF 50-plus canopy that includes a mesh peekaboo window, providing both sun protection and visibility. Other features, such as adjustable cushioned handlebars and an easy one-handed fold system, add to the stroller's thoughtful design. Number 2. Chicco Tre. The Chicco Tre jogging stroller was designed to keep up with fast-paced families. Fitting in the more reasonably priced category at $379, it has a lightweight aluminum frame, sleek three-wheel design, and a deceleration handbrake. Whether you are going for a stroll or a run, its 16-inch pneumatic rear tires and dual flex-core suspension adjust for any type of terrain. The stroller features a full-coverage extendable canopy, tinted peekaboo window, multi-position reclining seat, and an adjustable 5-point harness for a comfortable and secure environment for your baby's earliest adventures. One thing I liked about the tray is how it features three fold configurations: self-standing for the garage, flat for the trunk, and compact for storage. With a convenient one-hand fold, you are able to either close the stroller and have it stand, which is perfect for storing in your garage. Fold down the front swivel wheel to create a flat fold for the trunk, or remove the wheels in one quick motion for long-term storage. Another feature I loved is the exclusive control console with hand-operated functionality that's easy to access as you are using it. From the console, you are able to unlock the front swivel wheel. There is also a deceleration brake that doubles as a fixed brake for parking. While I like this feature, I am so familiar with a foot brake that at some points it threw me off. It also comes with a soft parent tray with two cup holders and a large storage basket, which was so convenient for holding my phone, keys, and snacks for my kids. Number 3. BabyTrend Expedition. Jogger jogging strollers typically run large. The features that make them good for running also tend to make them big. By now, you've probably noticed that these big and impressive strollers also tend to come with an equally large price tag. However, our best of the bump winner for best budget-friendly jogging stroller, the BabyTrend Expedition Jogger, delivers a great jogging experience at a third of the cost of most options. Testing revealed that this stroller is easy to push and steer, and our tester, Samantha, found she could comfortably run at her preferred pace while pushing the jogger with just one hand. It was light enough to push with my 25-pound child, and I found it easy to push even when holding my child, she told us. Despite its budget price, the Expedition still delivered on comfort for Samantha and her 15-month-old. My child seemed very comfortable in it each time I used it with him and seemed to enjoy the ride, she said. The seat height and length, along with the footrest, fit him well. The tray was also at a good height for him to help himself to snacks, and it locks in tightly so he can't move it. Samantha gave the stroller's grip high marks for being cushiony and easy to hold. Plus, the safety strap for my wrist was comfortable and easy to use, she told us, though it wasn't really needed since the stroller is easy to control with jogging. There are a few downsides to the BabyTrend Expedition Jogger to consider. For starters, the wheels squeaked when jogging and got caught on bumps, shared Samantha. She felt that the suspension wasn't as robust as she would have preferred, and it also doesn't have an adjustable height handlebar or adjustable tracking. Nonetheless, if you're an occasional runner searching for an affordable option, this stroller will definitely tick most of the boxes on your list. It shares a lot of quality features with my higher priced stroller, Samantha shared, but at a much more accessible price. Number 4. Cybex Zeno. If you're a distance runner with a toddler who loves to ride, you'll want the surprisingly affordable Cybex Zeno stroller. It's a lightweight stroller with giant wheels that are made to glide on for miles, and its intuitive hand brake offers excellent control. Adjustments to the alignment and brakes are a breeze, allowing you to quickly fix little issues that frequently arise with jogging strollers. Designed with your little one's safety and comfort in mind, this stroller features a secure harness system, comfortable seating, and excellent ventilation to keep them cool mile after mile. Now, I've stared at the Cybex Zeno and imagined myself doing some sort of origami magic, folding it up into a neat, compact square like those fancy travel strollers. But then I remember I'm talking about a hyper specialized marathon chariot here. It doesn't fold. Despite that, this stroller is a dream to use. Number 5. Guava Roam Stroller. So you don't want to store a stroller for every occasion? I get it. I live in Brooklyn and understand the limits of small spaces. Enter the solution to your problems. The Guava Roam is a fabulous compact everyday and jogging stroller known for its easy maneuverability and relatively compact fold. It features broad car seat compatibility via its adapters for various brands, including Graco, Nuna, UPPAbaby, Cybex, Chicco, and Britax. It has one of the smallest footprints, both folded and unfolded, and while it's a bit on the heavy side at 28.5 pounds, the way it folds makes it easy to lug around and stash in your boot. But the diminutive size and convenience aren't the only things that make this an outstanding option for families and runners. My favorite bit about this stroller is the fact that you can lock and unlock the front wheel via a control at the handlebar. It's genius. I have no earthly clue why more stroller companies aren't doing this. I'm also a huge fan of the independent suspension on this stroller that settles and levels as you hit large divots, giving the passenger a smooth, easy ride. Number 6. UPPAbaby Ridge. Understandably, some parents may balk at the idea of buying one stroller for errands or walks, and another just for exercise. However, the UPPAbaby Ridge is designed to give you the best of both worlds, making it our best of the bump winner for best jogging stroller for everyday use. Whether you're using it for a casual stroll in the city or a trail run, the stroller's foam-filled tires are good for outings beyond the running track. The stroller was incredibly easy and light to push and maneuver through all different terrains, says our product tester, Dominique, a mom of 2. When shopping downtown, she steered it over pavement, tile, and cobblestone and didn't run into any issues. Even better, I really enjoyed how easy it was to turn the stroller in and out of stores and restaurants, she added. While the UPPAbaby Ridge isn't the most compact option on our list, it's notably smaller than the Thule Urban Glide 3 and BRB Gear Wayfinder, which is a huge bonus for day-to-day activities. And when it's time to store it, it folds up with ease. This is one of the easiest folding strollers I've had, Dominique told us. You can easily fold with one hand, and once upright, the stroller stays in place while closed. There's a unique rotating bar you turn to open and collapse the stroller. It's a well-thought-out design. The mom of 2 also mentioned that this stroller was surprisingly simple to get in and out of her trunk, and when it's in there, it doesn't take up much room in her mid-size SUV.